Hi everyone, here we are at HomeGoods. Okay, so I'm like really excited. They moved all the Christmas stuff to like the center of the store, and then they started bringing out the Valentine's Day stuff. I am so excited. I can't wait to show you. So let's just take a walk. Come with me. So I'm absolutely loving this heart with all this bling on it. It is solid wood and it's gorgeous. So you guys know that we can't have any holiday without this truck, without the red truck. I absolutely love that truck. And here's the gnome. So I'm gonna keep stopping like every second if I don't just go ahead and just show you all the beautiful items out for Valentine's Day. So let me just keep quiet and just show you what they have. Come with me, guys. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed shopping with you. So if you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.